My sunflowers getting taller by the day. My velvet queen. I've been calling it like Queen Violet or something. It's a velvet queen. And then my Goldie Honey Bear. Now my Black Beauty tomato plant is growing some more tomatoes. It's going strong. My white marigold is very close to opening. My Bella Rosa, we're actually getting some Bella Rosas, finally. Bit on the Romas. They're still not turning red yet, but we're continuously getting more and more Romas. Oh my gosh, my indigo blue chocolate. You guys, I have some now. There's 3. And they're turning black. I love them already. My Sweet Millions. The clusters are looking prettier every day. We have one down here, another one developing up here, and then another one developing up here. My Marglobe plant, a white marigold almost opening, and I don't know why this is happening to one of the tomatoes. I'm gonna cut it off soon so the tomato plant can just not worry about it. But I have so many Marglobes in there. I really need to prune it because when it just gets this bushy, I get scared to like get in there and move the leaves around. And then my Black Creme, we have 2 beautiful ones up here, and then the ugly one down there. Other Roma plant, same thing, we're getting big Romas. There's another one over there. Oh my gosh, we have a, I don't know if you can see it. What is this? A Rudbeckia. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. A Rudbeckia. I had no hope for them, so I just interplanted them with my tomatoes here just to give them a chance, and we're actually getting one. So exciting. And then this Marglobe plant is steady doing fine. I love those tomatoes. Like, my Marglobes are so prolific already. So, big fan. Super big fan. This is my second Bella Rosa plant. And we have some more coming over there. They look really round and, like, shiny. So, I'm excited to see them. And then my 2 Guajillo plants, I know I'm going to have to stake them because of all these blooms that I'm seeing. It's going to get heavy and probably fall over really quick.